Hi teachers, welcome to Teacher Tech Tips, where I try to give you tech tips in 5 minutes or fewer. Today we're talking about how to set up your Schoology and the very basics. When I start to set up a Schoology page for my kiddos, one of the first things I like to do is to edit the picture. I try to choose something distinct, usually with the name of the course, so that kids know what they're looking for when they browse their courses. You can choose one of these pre-made pictures, or you can make your own, whichever you prefer, but I like to make my own in Canva and then download it to my computer, and then I can just click attach file. I'm going to go ahead and do that, but pause so you don't see all my pictures. I have an embarrassing number of pictures of my dogs in my files here. So I've clicked attach file and then I chose the picture I wanted. As soon as that's up and you can see it in the background here, just click exit. The next thing I like to do when I'm setting up my Schoology page for my students is to add the folders that I know we'll need. Usually when I set up my folders, I like to have a This Week folder where I put the class calendar and the assignments that students will complete during this week. Another folder I like to have is a Unit 1 folder or a Unit 2 or whatever unit we're in. My goodness. Where I can archive the assignments that students completed from this week after they're done. The other folder I like to have pretty early on is a sort of general information folder where we can post things about how to use our Schoology page, my contact information, etc. Okay, these are usually some things I like to have for my Schoology page pretty early. I might go in and add a page that's a welcome page where I can add a message to greet my students. And maybe if I want to have some engagement with the kids pretty early on, I can add a discussion where kids introduce themselves. Other features on this page right here is our calendar. Right here you'll see when you have upcoming assignments that you have for students. You can add in updates for kids. You can access your gradebook and grade setup. Badges are kind of fun, but I never find the time to do them. You can look at your members, and also you can look at analytics to see when kids have accessed your course. So there are a few just basic features of Schoology that I set up when I'm getting ready, and I hope this was helpful.